Chào cả nhà, hello guys. I am Nina Tran Lee. Welcome to So Sim Yum Kitchen. This is where I prepare food that touches my family soul. It's simple to make and yummy to eat. Today I'm going to share with you how to make Chinese salt and pepper chicken wings. This is one of my most requested recipes. Chicken wings are deep fried to a crunchy golden brown and then tossed in salt and pepper mixture, crispy garlic, chili flakes, and jalapeño that make them flavorful and addictive. These salt and pepper chicken wings are very popular at Chinese restaurants because they are often ordered in bulk for Asian potluck parties. I make Chinese salt and pepper chicken wings on my mother's 80 years old birthday celebration during Thanksgiving, and they was a big hit. Both adult and kids was in line waiting for the next batch of the finger-licking good chicken wings. So what are you waiting for? Let's join me in the kitchen to make this addictive appetizer for the next party. There are 2 parts of ingredients for Chinese salt and pepper chicken wings. For the first part, we will need fryer wings. I like to use the whole wing so we can have equal part of drumettes and wingettes. We will also need frying batter. My family enjoy low-carb diet, so I always fry with dry batter. I like to use Mr. Hung fried chicken batter mix for all my dry frying food. If you cannot find this brand, please read the description box for the alternative batter mix. We will need oil for frying. Here I use pure vegetable oil because it keeps the wings to stay crispy longer. If you plan to make this for parties, I highly recommend using vegetable oil over other oils. For garnish, we will need green onion, garlic, and jalapeno. Now let's talk about the seasonings. As I mentioned before that these Chinese salt and pepper wings are very popular for take-out to Asian potlucks, and everyone would go oh and ah about them. Anyhow, besides salt and pepper, those addictive wings are being seasoned with loads of MSG. Since we cook this dish at home, we have the power to reduce the amount of MSG for this dish. Here, I use a little of MSG and shiitake mushroom seasoning, or you can also use chicken powder. As for shiitake mushroom seasoning, I like to use this brand and it is about $10 to $15 a bag. Please be extra careful when buying mushroom seasonings as there are tons of imitation out there and the taste can totally ruin our dish. However, if you plan not to use any of these seasonings, then Chinese salt and pepper wings are not for you because they will lose their wow factor. Lastly, we will also need garlic powder, onion powder, and chili flakes. You can also use Korean pepper flakes for non-spicy option. This is how I dry coat the chicken wings evenly. We can use a gallon Ziploc bag for this task. As for me, I bought a roll of plastic bags like this for all my dry batter frying food. First, I added about 8 wings. Please note that I fried the wingettes and the drumettes separately. Then I added about 3 tablespoons of fried batter mix. I also added 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper mixture. Now close the top of the bag and shake it well. This is the best way to coat any food evenly and mess-free. The wings will be fried 2 times. Preheat the oil for the first fry to 300 Fahrenheit. The first fry is needed to release all the moisture from the wings so it can be done at a lower temperature. Shake off any excess flour and work in small batches, about 8 pieces at a time. Since these wingettes and drumettes are not big, fry them for about 8 minutes per batch. Allow the wings to rest on the cooling rack once they are done with the first fry. They can even go into the fridge if you plan to make this in advance for the party. The ultimate step to get extra crispy wings is from the second fry. So preheat the oil to 375 Fahrenheit to get the furious bubbles in the oil. Let's finish off our second fry for these wings. When I make a big tray of wings for party, I often make crispy fried garlic separately. Here, I use a mini food processor to chop 4 whole garlic. Preheat a small wok with 1 cup of vegetable oil over medium heat. When seeing bubbles around the wooden chopstick, turn the heat off. Add in the garlic and turn the heat back on again. Stir and fry garlic over medium heat for about 5 minutes. Now, reduce the heat down to low and continue to fry the garlic for another 3 minutes or until the color turns blonde. Prepare the tool to take them out and allow the oil to drip into the wok. Let the crispy garlic to dry on a tray lined with paper towels. As for jalapeno and green onion, I stir fry them together with some oil along with a little bit of salt and pepper mixture and put them aside for later use during the toasting. So here is our result. Actually, this chicken wings has been done at least a few hours now, because right after I make the wings, I have to spend like a few hours just to do the photo shoots. After the photo shoots, I actually come back to film this portion of the video. Anyway, let's try it out. You hear that sound? So good. So good, so tasty. And inside is moist.
You know, I love this right here. The leftover salt and pepper seasoning. You can save this to make salt and pepper calamari, salt and pepper shrimp. You can make a lot of dishes, salt and pepper spare ribs, and I will be sharing those recipes soon. And earlier today I showed you how to make crispy garlic. I store it in a container like this, and this will last you for a long time.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. Ring the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching and happy cooking for your loved one. See you guys next time. Chào cả nhà nha.